It's a beautiful evening here in Austin, Texas. This is the dense clay soil that I've been referring to in many of my videos. I plan on making a video involving some explanation of drainage issues that I've been having. The rain stopped. We still have all the standing water, and it's everywhere. It's by our fire pit. It's running like a river through our whole backyard. And if you're at the right angle, you can see it running like a river, like the water stretching in that way. It's deep. I'm working on building a French drain because this is such a real problem. Like, my fig tree here is getting horrible leaf curl from just being inundated with water. And you can see I've started digging out my French drain, and I've got 40 feet to go all the way to in between me and my neighbor's house. But it's like I could have a little pool here if I wanted.